Hey, it's Barry. I've got something crucial to share. The last Superfoods book is a game changer, and you can't afford to miss out. Here's the scoop. Uncover life-saving secrets in its 271 pages. A treasure trove of forgotten superfoods that sustained our ancestors through wars, famines, and disasters. You can find the real deal on the official website. Beware of imposters. This book, available both physically and digitally, is a lifeline in calamity, offering over 100 unique recipes that stay fresh for years without refrigeration. From doomsday rations to ninja superfoods, it's a journey through time. Meet the brilliant minds behind it: Art Rude, Claude Davis, and Fred Dwight. They've dedicated years to this research, ensuring you learn the secrets of survival. Try it risk-free for 60 days. Your ticket to authentic information is in the video description. This isn't just a review. It's a lifeline for you and your loved ones. Secure your family's future with the last Superfoods book. Join those singing its praises. Dive in. Let its wisdom guide you through the darkest times. I'm here because I care. Share your thoughts, hit that like button, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Stay prepared, stay safe. See you soon.